All right, on now to our friends at Cedarville University. We used you as wonderful resources through the pandemic, and you've continued to show us just some amazing medical engineering. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us who you do, or who you do. Tell us who you are and what you do.
Yeah, I'm Tim Norman. I'm a professor of mechanical and biomedical engineering at Cedarville University.
So you teach students undergrad?
Teach undergrad. We have the full engineering program, and I specialize in design and senior projects.
Okay, so this was a senior project, if you're not familiar. You know, sort of the necessity comes and you need something, and so you invent. So tell us a little bit about what we're looking at and what this history is.
Yeah, this device is called an Arterial Restrictive Clamp. The idea came from one of our team members, Lauren Edmonson, who was an EMT. And she noticed that in her practice, they talked a lot about different types of injuries, and if there's a carotid laceration injury to the neck, then they would have to basically pick and choose who they would treat, because that injury doesn't really have a treatment protocol other than manual pressure to the neck. So that takes that EMT, that medic, whatever the case may be, out of treating other patients who might be in need of help.
So she created the idea,
yes,
and you made it possible.
That's
just
right.
by kind of looking at the mechanics. So show us how it works and what it does.
Okay, so basically, let's say there's a laceration to this neck region right here. So you would take this device, you would put it underneath, and you would just ratchet it down.
And so where's the pressure? The pressure's coming from that?
The pressure's going to be right here, and it depends on where exactly where the laceration would be, but it ratchets. And then you simply put the Velcro strap, tighten it down into the ratchet strap, make fine adjustments here as you transport the patient for help. So
I'm guessing that adjusts. You're the engineer, so it adjusts so that it could be wherever it needed to be.
Yeah, you
can. The size of the person.
And all that. Yeah, exactly. This adjusts for neck size. The back is shaped specifically so that we get the pressure right into the artery, going from this side right here back to the other side. It creates kind of a lever arm of pressure. We can adjust it to either side. We can flip it around and apply to the other side. The advantage here to this particular design is that we have a carotid open on the other side, so we can still feed the brain with oxygen. We're also opening the throat area so we can still breathe. So you can place this on, and you can let the patient stay in this device until we get help and transport to a more critical care area where they could actually do the kind of surgery they would need to repair this, this device.
Okay, so have a seat for us. I want to ask you just a couple questions. Where are we in this journey? Is this about to be available, or what's going on with that? Yeah,
this is currently in FDA approval right now. We have a couple of things. We have hoops we have to jump through to get it finished up. But we're very close. We think this is something we can have released in the summer. We have a lot of interest. We take this to different conferences, like special ops conferences, medics who actually are in the field. They're looking for devices where they can apply and use for soldiers who have lacerations in battle. In particular, the neck region is an area that's open for a soldier. They don't really have the armament to protect that area, so it's a vulnerable area. And so this kind of device is really something that they can put in the medic's backpack. It's lightweight, it's small, it has multiple functions. We can use it as a jugular tourniquet as well. We can pull this off if we're not using it for this particular thing, and we can pull this out here. This is used for a femoral tourniquet with a strap that we provide. We can also take this. There's a light at the end of it here. We can expand the length. There's a light. With a switch. We can use it for a laryngoscope for intubation. So it has multiple functions for a medic who would be in the battlefield trying to address a number of injuries that were on the battlefield.
Wow, that's impressive. And you can tell the people designing it knew of its importance and how to use these different things. So then final thought, how easy is it to make, manufacture, cost, that kind of thing? Yeah, I mean,
this actually version was a 3D printed version. We use that means to basically go through iterations. But this currently is in the process of getting molds made for manufacturing. So it'll be injection molded for mass production. We expect this to be something that medics and EMTs really around the world will be interested in carrying in their equipment they use to save lives.
Well, good. Can't wait to put this out there across the country. We're going to have people, we hope, reaching out to you. That is brilliant. Thank you for just being an inspiration. I know this is part of your allied health program at Cedarville University, is it not? All right. Well, great to have you here today.
Thank you.
We will continue to share your work. Remember your friends when this goes mainstream, okay?
All right.
Come see us
Thank you.
again. Great to meet you. All right.